Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and we got a new TV in here to unbox for you. This is one that we saw at CES 2020 just a few months ago, the Samsung Sero. It comes in a 43-inch size only, and it's sort of a revolutionary type of TV. It's really designed to work well with mobile devices because it switches from landscape to portrait mode, so you can get basically a full screen video no matter how it was recorded. We're gonna open up the box for you, give you kind of a preview of what you're gonna get, and then we are gonna have another video of a full overview on this one, so make sure you stay tuned for that one as well, and we'll get to opening the box right now for you. So as you saw from the montage, there's a little more to setting this one up than there is on a normal Samsung TV. You do have to download the SmartThings app, so that's something to keep in mind. As you can see here, this is the one remote that comes with the Sero TV. It is updated or different than the other one remotes that we've seen on the other Samsung TVs this year, in that it has that additional button towards the top there to actually rotate the screen, and it comes in a white finish. It's a great looking picture. It's a QLED TV, really nice deep colors. Good sound system built into this one, and you obviously have that added benefit of this being able to convert from landscape into portrait mode. So we're gonna show you here, I set up just a picture, so when you rotate it, it's gonna turn off your app, and then it's gonna bring up just a picture up on the screen. It's gonna tell you to close the current app. But that's kind of what you get. You can set these up, different wallpapers, different things like that. We're gonna have a full overview on this one because there is a lot to talk about that we're not gonna address in the unboxing. So make sure you stay tuned for that. As always, thank you very much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.